Hey guys, Jobin here. Having a bit of a problem with my Spyderco Bryd Cara Cara. This is an old Cara Cara 1 FRN, and I loaned it out to somebody, and when it came back, there was some side-to-side blade play. But I figured, I'll just tighten the pivot. And got my Torx driver, and as you can see, it's just spinning, spinning, spinning. It's not getting any tighter. So let's try and figure out what's going on here. Is the nut on this end spinning? It's kind of hard to see what's going on there on a perfectly round, polished head there, so let's put a dot on it. And hopefully, having a bit of trouble figuring out if that's going to show up on the camera. If it doesn't, you'll just have to take my word for it. So, I'm tightening the pivot screw, and it's spinning, but it's not getting any tighter. And the female end on the other side isn't spinning. Alright then. Let's see if we can get it apart. And just leave that like that for easy reassembly. Okay. Wow, tiny little pivot. See if we can figure out what's going on here. Okay, that's tightened all the way, but I don't think it actually I don't think it actually screws in that far. Ooh, here's something. It's slipping. Can you guys even see that? The threads are engaged at this point, or almost, or mostly, or something. But if I pull on it, there's like a little tiny pop, and it comes apart. That's weird. Wonder why I can't tighten it down all the way. I guess the broken or damaged part or whatever must just be right at the point where it starts really grabbing. Because when you go down this far, actually there's still movement right down to there. Man, I hope this shows up on camera, or there's going to be a weird video. I know you can't see it, but it's happening. Well, that's kind of weird. I've never seen something like that before. I guess it must be damaged threads in there. You know, the quality of the hardware is always a concern. Even on some of the nicer knives, you can strip screws and whatnot, and it's a pain. But particularly on the budget-made ones, your Byrds, your San Renmus or whatever, even the stuff I sell, I'll be honest, just the quality of the attachment hardware, it gives me heartburn sometimes. That is one problem with the cheap knives. They might be fine most of the time, but occasionally you'll try to take one apart and top of the screw will be stripped out or something. I don't know. I'm rambling at this point. Let me guys know what you think. Yeah, that's weird. It's like cockeyed. Let me guys know what you think. Have you ever seen this problem with threaded hardware before, where it screws in, but it's like super sloppy and just clicks back and forth? And I wonder if this is still under warranty. Might have bought it less than a year ago. What is the Spyderco Bryd warranty? Huh. Alright guys, take it easy. Remember where your knife is.